Okay, so are all of these human operators located in the United States? Are they all here?
No, we have some in the U.S. and some abroad.
Waymo has critical safety employees who may need to intervene in a split second if a Waymo encounters an unknown dangerous situation located. Having people overseas influencing American vehicles is a safety issue. The information the operators receive could introduce tremendous cybersecurity vulnerabilities.
To bring into the United States are Chinese automobiles owned by Chinese auto companies, are they not?
We use a variety of platforms.
Right now you use a Jaguar that's made in Graz, Austria. And the car that you're looking at doing is a car by a subsidiary of Geely, which is a Chinese company. Is that not accurate?
Yes, and we...
So then how would advancing the U.S. interest over China be met by having a company allow Chinese-made automobiles to enter the U.S. market, which are currently not allowed to enter the market? It seems like a very backdoor way of bypassing the connected vehicle rule.
New era we're entering it. From eVTOLs, drones, autonomous vehicles, to space travel, we're in a global race to out-innovate and out-compete the rest of the world.
Do you want to win in this industry? And I think the U.S. really needs to look at this and take a step back and say, listen, China is competing the living hell out of us around the rest of the world. How do we innovate and win? And it's going to be on the tech side. And this high-speed travel is really sort of the core and what the sort of the utility the industry needs to deliver to folks. And it is how you get GDP growth. I mean, we could get into a whole discussion here. It's how you get GDP growth out of this 2 to 4% band in this discussion we keep getting stuck in.